Is it time to buy or sell Disney stock? In this video, we will explore Disney in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since July 29, 2025, our system has identified Disney as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.61. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 1.33%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.22% since being categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is situated within the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 13.58% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 3.44% to 25.07%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of around 21.13%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between -8.59% and 36.55% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $108.15 and $161.57. Our latest daily update for Disney includes the headline: Disney stock price ended at $118.32 on Tuesday after losing 0.86%. The Disney stock price fell by 0.86% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025, from $119.35 to $118.32. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.88%, with a day low at $117.33 and a day high of $119.54. The price has declined in 8 of the last 10 days, down by 2.26% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 9 million shares, albeit with falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 15 million shares were traded for approximately $1.81 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $124.69, while the lowest was $80.10. Currently, the price is 5.11%, or $6.37, below the 52-week high, and 41.72%, or $84.70, below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2021, when the price peaked at $203.02. The Walt Disney Company, recognized by its ticker symbol DIS, is poised to announce its third-quarter earnings results tomorrow, on the 6th of August. Analysts are keenly observing the expected financial performance, particularly in light of some recent difficulties within its film division. Although the movie business has encountered setbacks, including films that did not meet expectations, there is a sense of anticipation surrounding a potential recovery, fueled by forthcoming releases such as Avatar and Zootopia 2. Additionally, ESPN's strategic initiatives are drawing interest. Reports suggest that Disney is acquiring substantial National Football League content, encompassing the NFL network and various game broadcasts. This move may enhance ESPN's new streaming service, attracting sports enthusiasts and fostering subscriber growth, an essential factor for Disney's profitability. As Disney navigates these complexities, the company is also honing in on improving its core fundamentals. Current assessments indicate a short-term buying opportunity, viewed as a turnaround play, driven by the expansion of theme parks and cruise lines. While profit margins have yet to fully recover to levels observed before the pandemic, ongoing efforts in cost management and revenue enhancement are encouraging signs for investors in the near term. Favorable earnings results and positive news regarding ESPN could provide upward momentum for Disney stock. Conversely, long-term growth will depend on the successful execution of streaming strategies and a revitalization of the film sector. Investors should remain attentive as these developments unfold, as they will have a significant impact on the future trajectory of Disney stock. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that MoffettNathanson assigned a buy grade to Disney with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of June, 2025, it was reported that Seaport Global also assigned a buy grade to Disney with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned a buy grade to Disney with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned a buy grade to Disney with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned an outperform grade to Disney with an upgrade recommendation. Analysts have assigned Disney stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Disney. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Disney stock is presenting sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which contributes to a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is observed because the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at 119.03 cents and 120.52 cents. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Monday, June 30th, 2025, and as of now, the stock has declined by 4.59%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 26 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 62 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 50 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Disney. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $110.49 and $105.12. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this case, Disney finds support just below today's level at $110.49. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $105.12 and $102.09. Generally, the stock tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the stock moved $2.21 between its high and low, which is 1.88%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.55%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Disney, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.47. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Disney. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Disney is at $118.73. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, This could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Disney faces its first support level at $110.49. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as an ideal entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Disney from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 17th of July, 2025, Coleman Sonia L. conducted an insider purchase of 1,167 shares of Disney common stock. On the same day, Coleman Sonia L. also conducted an insider sale of 1,167 shares of restricted stock unit. Additionally, on that day, Coleman Sonia L. sold 419 shares of Disney common stock. On the 17th of July, 2025, Woodford Brent made an insider purchase of 1,147 shares of Disney common stock. On the same date, Woodford Brent sold 253 shares of Disney common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 81.064. In total, insiders bought 761,863 shares and sold 64,976 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Disney stock a good buy? The Disney stock currently exhibits several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Disney will likely perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 6th of August, we expect Disney to open higher by approximately 7 cents and begin trading at $118.40. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.